The date value function's an interesting one because its job is to translate text into a date if possible. So, in other words, it uses the same functionality that Excel itself uses when you type something in, right? If I were to type in 1/1/2025, Excel would recognize that as a date. And if I typed in January 1, 2025, also Excel recognizes that as a date. And so, for that reason, if you have some pieces, like for example, here we have the actual month name of March, and then we have the year of 2026, using the date value function, we can compile a date out of that information. To do this, we go to the Formulas tab at the top of the screen. We use the Date and Time drop-down menu and find Date Value. Into the date value argument, you see here it just says, tell me what the text is. So here, I'm going to start my text with the word March in cell G6. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, let's imagine that after March, it says the first, right? So I'll put in ampersand to concatenate the next element on, quotation marks, space 1, comma, space, close quotation marks. So as you can see there, it turns into March 1, comma, space, something. And we use one more ampersand to concatenate on the contract year of 2026, and that gives us March 1st, 2026. But if you notice, this scenario is when the contract should come up for review. So let's say that it comes up for review 1 year in advance of the end of the contract. Well, all we have to do is slide in a -1 right there, and that turns it into March 1st, 2025. And I click OK, and I autofill down. And as you can see, April 2026 becomes April 1st of 2025.